Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook tandoori chicken. First you will need a medium-sized chicken. First cut it into 4 pieces and then just score the chicken like so the spices can get in. But in the meantime, give your chicken a good wash and let it dry. In another little dish, put 2 heaped teaspoons of red Kashmiri chili. This is going to give our chicken a nice colour. Mix it with water and leave to the side. I've been busy putting this recipe together, so it's very easy to do. I'm going to cook this in my tandoori oven. If you have the money, I would suggest buying one. These are really beautiful little ovens, what I used. Otherwise you can cook it in the oven under the grill first and then cover it. Anyway, once the chicken is quite dry, put it in a bowl and we're going to marinate it. First stage, we're going to marinate 2 stages, and this is the first stage we're going to marinate. First put lemon juice, 1 whole lemon juice of 1 lemon, a tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste, and then 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of coriander and 1 teaspoon of gram masala. It's a very simple recipe this, and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli. Mix all this together because this will be our first marinade, and once we've mixed it all together we're going to leave this for about 1 hour until this lemon juice and everything gets into the chicken. This is a really lovely dish. You have to cook this. I've tried it many a times and everyone loves it. It's a little bit spicy, mind you, but it's very tasty. So leave it marinated in the bowl at room temperature for 1 hour. After 1 hour, get some methi and rub it between your hands and to break it up. And then add to that about 100 grams of yogurt, 4 or 5 tablespoons of mustard oil, and your red chili paste what we've made, because this is going to give it the colour, and mix it all in really well. Now once you've done this, you can basically leave this for 3 hours before you cook it. And if you haven't got a tandoori oven and you have a charcoal barbecue, you can cook this on the charcoal barbecue, turning every so often. And but if you can, cook it in a tandoori oven. They're widely available now in the UK, but if not, in the oven you can cook it under the grill for I think about 20 minutes, turning once or twice, and then covering it with foil and then finishing off for another about 15 to 20 minutes, and that should give you a nice finish. Then after 3 hours, as I say, we're going to start cooking this. So this I've got together my tandoori oven, got it ready. Normally it takes about an hour to get ready once you put the charcoal in. Put it on the skewer and here we go. We're going to cook this for about 20 minutes, turning every 5 minutes. You have to let me know in your comments how you enjoy this dish, because this is the first time I've released this recipe and my wife loves this, so have a go and tell me what you think. like you see, just keep turning it round, and hopefully within 20 minutes it'll be nicely cooked and ready to serve. You can have this with salad or rice or chips even. I had it with chips today, so it's very versatile what you have it with, and it's very tasty as well. Anyway, that is my tandoori chicken recipe. I hope you enjoy it, and please let me know in the comments what you think. Bye for now, and see you soon. And remember, if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to subscribe, because I'm always posting new content, and then you'll get notified when I publish them. Bye now.